If you want to limit your Instagram usage and set boundaries for a healthier online experience, sleep mode is a great feature to use. Here's how to set sleep mode on Instagram. Start by opening the Instagram app on your phone. Tap on your profile icon in the bottom right corner to go to your profile. Next, tap the three horizontal lines in the top right corner to open settings. Then tap on your activity. Next, scroll down and find time spent. Open it. Here you can see how much time you spend on Instagram each day and enable sleep mode. Tap on sleep mode. Then toggle the button next to sleep mode. Now that you've activated sleep mode, select the start and end times. Save your selected times by tapping OK. During this period, Instagram will mute notifications to help you focus on your offline activities. Finally, select the days when you want sleep mode to be active. Save the settings by tapping the Save button. And that's it. You've successfully set sleep mode on Instagram to help you manage your time better and improve your digital well-being. If you found this tutorial helpful, don't forget to follow for more tips and tricks.